What if I told you there's a wasp that can hack the brains of animals? It's not sci-fi. It's not animation. This is the most real part of nature. Imagine a creature deep in the ocean, surrounded by total darkness. Then suddenly, it lights up like a lamp, or a tiny organism that can survive in the vacuum of space. Science says we're building a future with strange technologies, but many of these abilities have existed in some animals for millions of years. Number 10. The silk spider, nature's nanotech engineer. Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel. Scientists have spent years trying to replicate it, but they're still behind. It's lighter, tougher, and even naturally renewable. Imagine a suspension bridge made only of spider silk. Insane, right? Number 9. The octopus, the living master of camouflage. Octopuses don't just change their color. They actually change their skin texture to perfectly blend into their surroundings. This ability is stranger than any futuristic invisibility cloak. Scientists still haven't figured out how to create fabric that can mimic both color and texture like that. Number 8. Deep-sea fish, sources of biological light. There are fish in the depths of the ocean whose bodies produce light. Bioluminescence. Scientists are just beginning to use this idea for low-energy lamps, or even living advertisements. Number 7. Tardigrade, the most immortal creature on Earth. This tiny being can survive temperatures from -270 to over 150 degrees. In the vacuum of space, no problem. Without water, it can last for years. If any creature is going to live forever, it's probably this one. If your mind is blown up this far, wait, the strangest ones are still left. Be sure to like, because the things you're hearing weren't taught to you at school. Number 6. Bombardier beetle, a living hand grenade. There's a tiny beetle that stores 2 liquids inside its body. When danger approaches, it mixes them and blasts out a hot, high-pressure chemical spray from its rear. It's literally a living chemical weapon. Number 5. The brain-hacking wasp, real mind control. There are wasps that hack into a cockroach's brain. Just like a programmer controlling a robot, this wasp decides exactly where the cockroach will go. Number 4. Electric fish, a portable power plant. The electric eel can stun its prey with a 600-volt shock. Scientists are still trying to build batteries that work like this fish's body. Number 3. Archer fish, the water sniper. This fish shoots jets of water with incredible accuracy to knock insects off plants. Its level of precision challenges even advanced sensors. Number 2. The infinite-tailed lizard. Some lizards can regrow their tails over and over again. Scientists are using this ability to explore treatments for limb loss and tissue regeneration. Number 1. The key to immortality. The sea anemone. Some species of sea anemone neither die nor age. Through endless cell division, they keep themselves forever young. Maybe this is the very secret humanity has been searching for. If you still think humans are the superior beings, take another look at this list. If you found it interesting, subscribe, because more videos that will mess with your mind are on the way.